Foshan Besile Building Materials Company Limited is a professional engaged in the research development, sale and service of toilet, basin, vanity, faucet, bathtub hardware accessory. Provide customers with one-stop solutions. Our team have over 30 years of selling experience and more than 20 years of experience in export trade. We are located in Foshan, showroom, and Chaozhou, production base, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, ensure full customer satisfaction. For years, Besile has consistently been driven by innovation. We continuously invest resources in technical research and development, as well as product innovation. In addition, our affiliated factory have obtained ISO 9001 Watermark CE certificates. Certification coverage is extensive, encompassing 95% of our product range, which possesses professional production equipment and a comprehensive manufacturing system. The production facility covers an area of approximately 10,000 square meters and is equipped with 3 advanced high-pressure casting lines, 1 fully automated tunnel kiln. These capabilities enable precise, efficient, and high-quality production, ensuring reliable delivery schedules and superior product performance. We stay attuned to market trends and evolving consumer needs, integrating cutting-edge design concepts and advanced technologies into our production processes to launch products that offer both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Germany, UK, Australia, USA, Argentina. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.